Inside this hangar at Sierra Sky Park in northwest Fresno, something big is happening.
We're building a plane.
They are building an experimental aircraft, a plane they will also get to fly. And this group of Fresno County high school students couldn't be more excited.
It's just really cool. I don't know anyone else who is my age that is building an airplane.
16 high school students from the Central Valley are getting this opportunity thanks to a new organization called Skies of Dreams. Yes, like the movie Field of Dreams. But the local chapter of the Experimental Aircraft Association had no problem getting kids to show up for its Youth Build program.
We're in an age where the youth is bombarded with screens and keyboards, and there's not a lot of opportunities for kids to build with their hands.
They are building the plane from a kit. The parts are pre-formed and pre-punched, but there is still a lot of work to do. Timothy Belansky, a senior at Liberty High School in Madero Ranchos, is working on the wings.
We're putting the skin on the wings. We're deburring the wing rib and cleaning everything up, running wires or so. You can't screw up. And if you do, you got to know how to fix it.
The students are paired with mentors, pilots like Philip Barnett, who built his own plane.
I'm having fun because what else is there to do besides build another airplane? I already did that. Show someone else how to build an airplane and see how much fun they have doing that and say, hey, you built that.
The students are selected through an application process based on their commitment to show up every Sunday afternoon. The program cost them nothing.
And we rely heavily on donations from our donors, and we are in the thick of fundraising right now. So this month, we have a goal to raise $40,000.
Program coordinator Ashley Cachadorian, who has an engineering background, says she hopes Skies of Dreams motivates more kids to go into STEM fields and aviation.
Our ultimate goal is to inspire the youth and to pass the baton on to the next generation of aviators.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.